Going to use the calculator to find the mean and standard deviation from a frequency table. You need to press mode 2 to put it into stats mode. Again, we're just working with one variable. We're not comparing scores, not comparing two things, we're just working with one thing, such as number of cars passing an intersection, number of rainy days. So we need to press one variable. So we press number one variable. At the moment you can see that it's just in where we enter the raw scores. We need to create a frequency column. So you need to press shift mode and you need to press the downward arrow and you get into a new screen that has number 3 stats. So you press number 3 stats and you want your frequency table to be on. So now we've got the raw scores and we've got the frequency. We add it, pressing equals after each addition. 3 equal 4 equal 5 equal 6 equal. At the moment it's given each one a frequency of 1 as if it was a raw score, so we need to change the frequencies. There are 6 scores that are 3, 8 scores that are 4, 2 scores that are 5 and 1 score that is 6. So once we've got it in there, we do what we do for the raw scores. We press AC to go back to a clear screen. We press shift 1 and we want to find the information about it, mean, standard deviation, so we press 4. Up comes N to find out the number of scores, which could be useful if you found out the sum of the FX column and then found out 1, pressed 1 for N, it should be the same. Let's just work out what the mean is. So we need to press 2 for the mean, press equals, and we come up with 3.88. Okay, we then have to go back to where we were before, shift 1, 4 to take us into the screen where the information is. We normally just ask for the standard deviation, which unless you're told is a sample, we assume is the population standard deviation. So normally when we're looking for the standard deviation we would press 3 for the population standard deviation. Remember that that isn't the answer, that's an old answer, so we need to press equals and we get 0.832. To then go back and change the frequency table back to the normal raw scores, shift mode, downward arrow 3, and we say frequency table off. And press equals, clear, shift mode, downward arrow, stats, frequency table off. Okay, all clear, and shift 1 data takes us back into just the raw scores.